Hello, nice to have you here. My name is Yannick Graver, and today I would like to show you how Azure Update Management can be easily put into operation. So here we go. As a starting point, I have two resource groups. In the Update Management core, I first create a central log analytics workspace. Let's give it a suitable name and choose the region West Europe. In the next step, I add my desired tag, and then I continue and create the resource. This will take a few moments, so I'll fast forward this for you. Now the Log Analytics workspace is successfully deployed. So I proceed and create an automation account for the update management. I choose the same core resource group, name the resource, and click Next. I go with the default settings and again add my environment tag. After the validation passed, let's create the resource. In the automation account on the left side, I click on Update Management, where we create an update management solution and connect our Log Analytics workspace with it. So I choose the Log Analytics workspace we just created and hit Enable. During the creation, I faced an error, but the creation was still successful. As I didn't find any issues during my testings of the solution, let's proceed. So let's jump back to the automation account and navigate to Update Management again. We successfully created all the needed update management resources and connected them. So now let's add some Azure VMs to monitor for updates. I click on Add Azure VMs on the very top. Now you can see VM which are placed in the location Switzerland North and West Europe. I enable the West Europe VM. Switch back to Switzerland North and notice the consideration on the right hand side, which is telling you that VM information will be in both regions if you enable cross-region update management. I continue and enable it for the purpose of demonstration of cross-region update management. Now, checking out the service, we do not see the just added VMs, as the activation usually takes a while. So fast forwarding, it will look like this after a bit. So let's see how it looks in the context of the VM itself. I therefore navigate to the VM, guest and host updates, and click on Go to Update Management. Here we see on the left that the VM is not assessed for the update compliance yet, but the update agent itself is in a ready state. According to Microsoft Docs, it takes up to 30 minutes for the dashboard to display update compliance results. Later, it will look similar to this and we can see the missing updates on the VM. Heading back to the central view of our update management in the automation account, we see now both VMs as non-compliant. And also from a central view, we can now see the missing updates. I just copy one of the KB numbers for later. And now, let's get those VMs updated and compliant by scheduling an update deployment. Let's give the schedule a nice name. Click on Machines to update. And add the two VMs. I could now also choose which update classifications I want to include, but I'll stick to the default and select all of them. But now let's exclude a specific update. I click on Exclude and paste the KB number I did copy earlier. I now schedule it and give it a maintenance window of 60 minutes. After a bit, the update deployment is scheduled successfully. Under Deployment Schedules, I can see it now as well. After the schedule did its job and all the critical and security updates are installed, both VMs appear to be compliant. And that's how easy it is to deploy and update management on Azure. Mission completed. My name is Yannick Graber. Thank you for watching and happy updating.